Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to remove freeze frame in Filmora. So in order to do that, first open the Filmora app on a mobile device. Then select the video where you want to remove the freeze frame from. After you've selected the video, go to the frame where you have added the freeze frame, then tap on it. After you tap on the video, you'll see many options on the bottom. Simply swipe until you see an option called freeze. After you tap on it, you can remove the freeze frame from your video. There is also a manual way, which is to undo every step you have taken to remove freeze frame. So this is it. Now you guys know how to remove freeze frame in Filmora. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.